It's time for Maintenance Madness. Our new promotion on commercial and irrigation parts, valid March 1st through March 31st. Buy $1,500 of Toro commercial and irrigation parts and get this Toro branded Yeti flask. Purchase $3,500 worth of Toro commercial and irrigation parts and get this cool Yeti bucket. Purchase $5,000 worth of Toro commercial and irrigation parts and get this Gator cooler. Attention export customers. Contact your export customer service representative or email export@hectorturf.com for your promotional details on parts orders. Attention online order customers. Add the word madness to the comments section. Maximum of 4 rewards per customer. Parts credit available in lieu of reward for domestic customers.